Hello everyone, in this video we are solve a nice exponential problem. X plus 2 whole to the power 4 is equal to 16. X is equal to what? How to solve this maths problem? So solution. Here x plus 2 whole to the power 4 is equal to 16. Now at this moment I can settle this exponential equation. It will be x plus 2 whole to the power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. I just move on this 16 in this side, it will be negative 16. Now here x plus 2 whole to the power 2 bracket power is 2. Look, here is 2 times 2, it will be 4 according to exponential law, minus 16 it will be 4 to the power 2 is equal to 0. Now at this moment we know that a square minus b square, it will be a plus b times a minus b. According to this law I can see easily this expression, it will be a plus b times a minus b. Here is a is x plus 2 whole to the power 2 and b is 4. So this equation becomes x plus 2 whole to the power 2 a plus b times a minus b. Here 2 minus b is 4 is equal to 0. Now at this moment I can say it will be a plus b whole squared. It will be a square plus 2ab plus v squared. 2 times 2 it will be 4. And here is a is x plus v square. I mean 2 to the power 2. It will be 4 plus 4 times. And here again x square plus 4x plus 4. And here is minus 4 is equal to 0. Now you can see here is x square plus 4x. 4 plus 4 it will be 8. And here 4 cancel because of this is positive, this is negative. So I can say this expression x square plus 4x is equal to 0. Now here we are find out two equation. Our first case it will be x square plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. And we'll find out others case it will be x square plus 4x is equal to 0. Now in this quadratic equation you can see here is x, it will be minus b plus minus square root v square minus 4ac over 2a. According to this law I can see this expression, it will be x is equal to minus b. b is 4 plus minus square root v square, I mean 4 square minus 4 is c, a is 1, c is 8 over 2a, a is 1. Now here x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root, and here 4 square it will be 16 minus 4 times 8 it will be 32 over 2 times 1 it will be 2. Then you can say here is x, it will be minus 4 plus minus square root minus 16 over 2. Then here x it will be 2 and minus 4 plus minus square root 16 it will be square root 16 times square root minus 1. Then I can say here is x, it will be minus 4 plus minus 4i over 2. Square root 16 it will be 4 and square root minus 1 it is a complex number, here is I. Then if I separate this fraction I can say that it will be minus 4 over 2 plus minus 4i over 2. Then we'll find out our final answer, x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2y. This is the value of x. Here is two solution. So others two solution here, x squared plus 4x is equal to 0. So you can see here is x is common. So x squared divide x, it will be x. 4x divide x, it will be 4 is equal to 0. We are finding out here is two case. Our first case is x is equal to 0. Another case x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then you can see here is x is equal to -4. Now at this moment we are finding out four answer. Our first answer x1 it will be 0, x2 it will be -4, and x3 it is a complex solution, and x3 it will be -2 plus 2y, and x4 it will be -2 minus 2y. This is our four solution in this exponential maths Olympiad question. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.